This is Banner Locker 1912, January 14th. Let's get into it. We're going to randomize the list 5 times. Yeah, we got plenty. People are hot for jerseys.
What about the helmet?
There's some of those on tonight.
Whoa.
1, 2,
Nearly out of both.
3. Yes, I saw there's not many left. 4. And 5. Anaheim Ducks, quack quack on top. Denver Nuggets on bottom. Buck. Well, that's what noise they made when they're alive.
Oh.
Sounds like it's your guilt talking. I'm preachy. Odd. Nets have paid out all bets for... Spoilers have paid out to win the East. Is a card meant to move in a slab? Are you shaking it around? Richard. Here we go. Who? Need to know what cards look like packing best. Oh, wow! For the Arizona Cardinals, Kyler Murray. Who's got the Cardinals? Of the Arizona variety, not St. Louis. Spot 32. Just confirming 32 Cardinals 1912. Shane Morris, congratulations, man. That's a pretty cool jersey. Murray. And there is the autograph with the inscription of 2019 Rookie of the Year right here. Right there. On the big one. Congratulations, Shane.